Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some P&G spend scenarios that y'all can do this week at Dollar General, and we have quite a bit to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, now before we get into the scenarios, I wanted to go over really quickly with you all what this spend promotion means. So basically, we have a P&G spend promotion going on at Dollar General this week and next week. So you have to spend $15 out of pocket on P&G brand products, and keep in mind that that is after all of your coupons have been applied. Now, once you've done that, you should receive a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. If in the case that it doesn't print off for you, I would definitely ask the manager while you're there if there's any way that you could get a $5 gift card instead, especially because this is advertised in this week's Dollar General ad. Now, if the manager's not there or if they are not cool with doing that, I would definitely call customer service, or you can actually send in an email through the website and bring this up, and then hopefully they will go ahead and credit you that $5 coupon to your account. Now, once you have your $5 coupon, you can use that coupon on any of the P&G brand products that are available at DG. You can pick up one P&G item, or you can actually pick up multiple P&G items. For instance, this week we have a sale on the Dawn dish soap. They're 2 for $6. As long as your subtotal is $5.01 or more, that $5 coupon will apply, and it will take the full $5 off, even if you're picking up multiple products. Now, as I said earlier, this P&G promotion is advertised in this week's Dollar General ad, but y'all keep in mind we have this promotion going on this week as well as next week, so it actually doesn't expire until July the 9th. That's going to be the last day that y'all can go in, spend $15, and get that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Now, one thing that I always recommend y'all do when we have these P&G spend promotions is, while you're at Dollar General, go ahead and pick up one of the physical weekly ads and save that until this promotion expires. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I recommend y'all do this. And number one is because this promotion doesn't end until the 9th. However, in next week's Dollar General ad, they're not going to be advertising this promotion to us again. They're not going to take up that ad space because they already told us about this deal. They've already told us it expires on the 9th, so they're not going to put it in the Dollar General ad again. But if we run into any issues, we still need to kind of have some proof that this promotion is still going on, so that way if we have any issues, we can show the cashiers, we can take a picture and send it in an email to customer service or whatever it may be. So go ahead and pick you up a physical ad and keep it until this promotion expires. Now, another good reason to go ahead and pick up the physical ad this week and save it for next week is because, hey, you don't want to forget that that P&G promotion is still going on, because next week on Sunday, we are going to be receiving a ton of new coupons, and we should be getting new P&G coupons as well as the new P&G insert. So next week is going to be an amazing week to take advantage of this P&G promotion. Alright, now that we've got the basics of the P&G promotion out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about the scenarios that I'm about to share with you all. So first of all, a lot of the P&G coupons that we have right now do expire either tomorrow on June the 30th or Saturday, July the 2nd. So you guys make sure when you are looking at these coupons and these scenarios, make sure that you know when those coupons expire so that you don't miss out on any deals. Now, another coupon that is expiring on Thursday, June the 30th, is our 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And I did include the 3 off 15 in some of the scenarios that I'm about to share with you all. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you don't have the coupon, or if you've already used your 3 off 15, don't worry. You can either just pay the extra $3 out of pocket, or you can actually take a couple of items off, as long as your subtotal is $15 or more. After all of your coupons have been applied, you should be good to go. Now, on the flip side of that, I did not include the 3 off 15 DG store coupon in all of these scenarios. So if you have your 3 off 15 DG store coupon and you want to use it before it expires, you can definitely add it to one of these scenarios that I'm about to show you all. Again, just make sure that your subtotal after your coupons have been applied is $15 or more. You have to pay that $15 out of pocket in order to get that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Now, if you still need to add that 3 off 15 DG store coupon to your account, it is not too late. In fact, yesterday I uploaded a video going over some 3 off 15 scenarios for this week, and in the pinned comment of that video, I have the link for that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So I'm going to leave the link to the video in the pinned comments down below. Now, also, I'm going to be showing y'all some exclusive coupons that I went over in last week's video, where we have some new coupon links that everybody can add to your accounts. So I'm going to leave that video also linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and get into these deals. Now keep in mind, this week we do have 2 freebies and they are P&G brand products, so y'all can throw these into any deal you would like. So we do have the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that makes it completely free. Next up, we have the CREST 3.3 ounce PROHEALTH toothpaste. You can find these in the dollar aisle, or they may actually be in the regular toothpaste section. So these are $1. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, making that completely free. Alright, so for our first scenario, this is a quick and easy deal. You want to pick up the Bounty 8 Double Plus rolls. It equals 20 regular rolls. These are priced at $19. You're going to use that 4 off 1 exclusive coupon that I showed you all in last week's video, and that's going to leave you paying $15 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that's going to make your final price just $10 for all of those paper towels. Alright, next up, here's another one of those coupons that I gave you all the link to in last week's video. So you want to pick up the Charmin Ultra Strong Toilet Paper 16 Mega Rolls. These are priced at $18. Use the 3 off 1 Charmin exclusive coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $15 out of pocket. You're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that is going to make your final price just $10. Alright, now here's another one of those exclusive coupons, and this one does expire tomorrow on June the 30th. So what you want to do is pick up a box of the Love's diapers for $21.95. You're going to use the 3 off 15 DG store coupon plus this 3 off 1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $15.95 out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that's going to make your final price $10.95. Alright, now here's another awesome diaper deal. So you want to pick up 4 packs of the Love's diapers priced at $7.50 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30. The coupons that you're going to need for this scenario is the 5 off 30 Love's DG store coupon and the 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And yes, those will stack and work together. Then you're going to need the 2 off 1 Love's digital coupon, another 2 off 1 Love's digital coupon, and the 150 off 1 Love's digital coupon. Now that's going to leave you paying $16.50 for 4 packs out of pocket, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. That's going to make your final price $11.50 for 4 packs, making each one just $2.87 each. Alright, next up, another quick and easy deal. If you want to pick up 2 of the Pampers Easy Ups, they're priced at $10 each this week. That's going to put your subtotal at $20. The coupons that you're going to need is the 2 off 1 Pampers and the 150 off 1 Pampers Easy Ups. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $16.50 for 2 packs, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $11.50 for 2 packs, making those $5.75 each. Alright, so next up we have a triple dip gain scenario. So y'all listen up. It is very, very important when you do any gain deals to scan, because you want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product, because sometimes that gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. So y'all make sure you scan. Alright, so for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the Flings, the liquid laundry detergent, or the Fireworks. Then you want to pick up one Gain liquid laundry detergent priced at $5.50. One Gain laundry product priced at $4.50. There's a lot that you can choose from. Flings, fabric softener, sheets, Fireworks, you name it. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $4.70. Those are $2.35 each. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $30.65. And here is a look at the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of those coupons. You're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG Store coupon, the 3 off 15 DG Store coupon, the 3 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, and the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $16.65 for all 5 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $11.65 for all 5 items, making each one just $2.33 each. Now, I think this is a fantastic deal considering we have not had a really good all-digital gain scenario in a while, so I think this is awesome. Alright, next up, here's a household deal for you all. So you want to pick up one of the Dawn dish soap, 56 ounces at $7.75. One of the Dawn Easy Squeeze for $2.85. One of the Cascade dishwasher tablets, 13 count at $4.75. One of the Charmin Essentials 12 count bath tissue at $5. One of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. One of the Crest ProHealth toothpaste at $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $22.35. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to need the buy one, get one free Dawn from the 6/26 save insert. So that just came out last Sunday. Then you're going to need the 50-cent off one Cascade, the 1 off 1 Charmin, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $16 for 6 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $11 for 6 items, making each one just $1.83 each. Alright, and last but not least, we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Always Discreet liners at $6.50. They're $3.25 each. One of the Crest ProHealth toothpaste at $1. One of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1. One of the Crest with Scope 1 liter mouthwashes for $4.50. One of the Gillette Mach 3 razors at $7.25. And 2 of the Pantene Daily Moisture Conditioners for $10. Those are $5 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.40. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And coming up next is your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 3 off 2 Always Discreet liners, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash, the 4 off 1 Gillette razor, and the 5 off 2 Pantene. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.40 for all 8 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $10.40 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.30 each. Alright guys, so there you have it for our P&G spin deals for this week. And again, y'all don't forget that P&G promotion does not expire until July the 9th. So I will definitely be back with you all next week with even more spin deals. And it should be a pretty exciting week because we will have new P&G coupons to work with. Now, if y'all are looking for even more deals that y'all can do this week at Dollar General, don't forget to go back and check out my previous videos for even more awesome deals. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And as I mentioned before, if you need the link to that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, I am going to link that video as well as the video that I uploaded last week with those exclusive Bounty and Charmin and Loves coupons. All of that is going to be linked in the pinned comment down below. So definitely go and check it out if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stay tuned because we do have that 3-day sale coming up, plus our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And on your way out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.